Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and today's video is brought to you by Fair & Up. I'm super excited. We're here in the YouTube space, and I'm here hanging out with the amazing Jasmine of Get Caked. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, of course. We're going to make Disney characters, right? That's what we're focusing on right now.
It is.
I'm super excited. And we're going to make Tinkerbell.
Yes, we are.
How hard is Tinkerbell to draw?
Tinkerbell, I gotta tell you guys, it's actually a fan favorite. I get asked to draw Tinkerbell all the time, so this one's gonna be really nice, really easy.
Sweet. Can't wait to see it. So we're ready to flip, right?
We sure are.
3,
2,
2,
Tinkerbell.
Sweet.
Nice.
She looks fun. Like she's having a good time.
She's laughing,
She is laughing, yeah.
It is a good time. She's having more fun right now than we are.
It's because she got the fairy dust.
There we go.
Okay, those pancakes were awesome. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for watching. By the way, if you want to make these pancakes, you can get a pancake art making kit.
Yes.
Let's talk about that for a second.
Exactly. So you can get a kit at fairandup.us or click the link in the notes. And we're actually selling our kits with the bottles, colors, and some really cool videos so you guys can make pancake art like a pro at home.
And if you do make pancake art like a pro at home, we would love to see it. So tag us, tweet us, at Jerry James Stone, at GetCakedLA. We'd love to see your photos, or if you have pancake making questions, drop them out. Either way, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
See you guys.